Operation procedure for Supra-1640AHD. 1. Turn on power. Release emergency push button. Turn on chuck. Close hydraulic valve. 2. Spindle on off. Turn on spindle motor. Make sure spindle is running clockwise. Turn off spindle motor. 3. Hydraulic system on off. Turn on hydraulic system. Make sure hydraulic motor is running clockwise. Turn off hydraulic system. 4. Coolant system on off. Turn on coolant system. Turn off coolant system. 5. Crossfeed on off. Turn on rapid crossfeed. Select auto surface or manual surface mode until in out push button is on. Push in and out button. 6. Slow up and down. Turn on slow up and down. Select manual surface or manual plunge mode until slow up and down mode is on. Push slow up and down button. 7. Rapid up and down. Turn on rapid up and down. Select manual surface or manual plunge mode until rapid, slow up and down button is on. Push rapid and slow down button for rapid down, and rapid and slow up for rapid up. 8. 50 millionth jog. Turn on 50 millionth jogging push button to approach workpiece. 9. Step increment jog. Set down feet at 5/10. Push start button to confirm. Hit both jogging buttons at the same time. 10. Table travel setup. Turn on hydraulic system. Adjust longitudinal travel. Turn on hydraulic valve. Cross-speed travel setup. Set up cross-speed travel by moving two dogs to desired distance. Running auto cross-feed. Turn on hydraulic motor and valve. Toggle function switch to select auto surface mode or manual surface mode. Toggle crossfeed in-out switch. Press start. Adjust crossfeed step feed control for rough and finish grinding. Running rapid crossfeed travel. Turn the function switch to manual or auto surface mode. Toggle in-out crossfeed switch for easy loading and unloading part. Auto surface grinding downfeed. Turn the grinding function switch to surface grinding mode. Turn on hydraulic motor and valve and set up desired table travel. Hit start. Set up the incremental down feed. For example, 14/10 increment. Select the value on the rough grinding selector 1 to 1 thou and selector 2 to 4/10. Hit start. It will show on the screen 14/10. Set up total down feed amount. For example, 155 thou. Turn on total down feed selector to 1500. Set down feed dial to 5 thou. Set spark out selector to 2. Turn the elevation amount selector to desired height. Press start button to start surface grinding. Plunging grinding down feed. Turn the grinding selector to auto plunging grinding mode. Turn on hydraulic cable movement. Set up desired travel. It will disable crossfeed automatically. Set up incremental down feed to 12/10. Turn the rough grinding selector 1 to 1 thou and selector 2 to 2/10. Final display will be 12 thou on screen. Set up total down feed amount. For example, 75 thou. Turn total down feed selector to 5 thou. Set the down feed dial to 25 thou. Set the spark out to 1. Then turn the elevation up to desired height. Press total set and start. Total down feed will be 75 thou after finished grinding. 16. Chuck control. Turn on chuck. Adjust holding power. Adjust time for demagnetizer. Turn power off for demagnetizer.